My dear students, good morning. My name is Basavaraj Paute, lecturer, Automobile Department, Maratha Mandal Polytechnic, Belagavi. Now, I welcome all students for this session. For me, subject allotted is Automobile Transmission and Control Systems, third semester subject. Subject code is 158032T. In that, Unit 6 is given for me. Subject The chapter name is Suspension System, Wheels and Tires. In that session 6, I am presenting now. So in the session 6, table content are disc wheel, we are studying, and then tires. So again, after the tires, functions of tires, we are going to study today. So in the first one, disc wheel, we'll see the diagram here. So in the main diagram, it is, everybody can see the diagram. So the main parts are, so this is a well, upper part is this is rim, so side here, and then hole for valves it is, okay. So different small holes is there, and then this part is called as a disc, and then the bottom part you can see here, disc holes for cooling, okay. So this is a disc, and then in the disc there is a hole is there, okay. This is for cooling purpose. And this outer we can see it as a cover for the disc it is, okay. So it covers the nut bolts, okay. And then there are again different holes are is there, holes for mounting, okay. So again bottom you can see the same holes for pulling, and then this pull is called as a rim width from this end to this end, okay. So upper part is called as a, it is a well, okay. So just I will go through the construction. It consists rim, well, okay. So we have seen already, it consists rim, this part is a rim, and then this is a well. Hole for valve, okay. So here we have already seen a small hole is there for the valve fitting, okay. And disc holes for cooling purpose it is, okay. So you can see here the holes for cooling, okay. Disc is also having the holes for cooling, and then for holes for mounting also, okay. uh, Basically it has two main parts, a steel rim and pressed steel disc. So we'll see the steel rim. So this is called as a, from here to here is called as a steel rim. And then second one, pressed steel disc. So again in the diagram we can see this is a pressed steel disc, okay. So disc we can see it, and then rim and disc may be integral, welded or riveted. So we can see in the diagram this rim with disc, it may be welded, okay, or it may be a integral, or it may be a riveted. So it's different for different vehicles, okay. Two-wheeler is a different, car is a different, okay. So other vehicles it is a different. The seat of rim where tire rest has 5 to 15-degree taper, it is called a seat of rim, okay. You can see here the rim has got the taperness, it is called as 5 degree to 15 degree, okay. Holes in disc allow air to pass and cool brake drum. It's very important in the disc, air should pass because heat is there. We can see the here. So as the uh, drum become hot, it must be cooled, so that there must be a holes for cooling. And disc allow the air to pass and cool the brake drum. Separate cover provided on the disc. So we can see here a separate cover is also provided. It covers the nut, wheel nuts it is. Okay. So hole in the rim provided for the tube valve. That is very important. A hole in the covered for the valve it is. Okay. So it is provided for the tube valve. Okay. Whenever it is a tube is fitting, there must be a valve. So it should come out for the filling the air or for any repair purpose. Okay. So this is a simple construction of the your disc wheel. So quick we'll see what is a disc wheel. So main parts are well, and then this is a rim. Okay, hole for the wall. So this full part is called as a disc. Okay, this is a important part. Cover it is. Okay, so holes for cooling here it is. Okay, and then from here to here is called as a rim width. So construction as usual, it's very simple. Consists of a rim, well, hole for wall, and then disc holes for pulling. Okay, cover holes for mounting. Okay, so that is the simple construction. Main part having the steel rim and pressed steel disc. Okay, rim and disc may be integral. You can see here, rim and disc may be integral, welded or riveted. The seat of the rim, it has 5 to 15-degree taperness. Okay, and then holes allow the disc air to pass. So and cool the brake drum. Okay, so that is the main. And then separate cover provided on the disc. Okay, so cover is also provided on the disc. Last one is hole in the rim provided for the tube valve. Okay, so valve is provided for the tube. Okay, so this is the main. So in the second part, what we are studying is tires. So all of you know, so above this disc, tube and tires are available. So the first we'll see tires. So in the functions, tire supports the vehicle load. Okay, normally tire support the vehicle load. Tire support provide cushion against shocks. It is very important. Okay, so vehicle is having the different shocks, vibrations. Okay, so it will be uh, against shocks. Tire give the provide the cushion, and then tire transmit driving force and braking force to the road. Okay, so tire transmit driving force and braking force to the road. That is very important. Next, tire provide smooth steering when cornering. So when we are taking the turn, left turn, right turn, tire provide the smooth steering when cornering. So quick, we can go for the type also. Types of tires. First one is tube tire. Second one is tubeless tire. So in the tube tire, what happens? Tube and tire are provided. Okay, in the tubeless tire, no tube, only tire is provided. Okay, that is the main. So okay, so quick, we can see the tires again. Quick functions will go. Tire support vehicle load. Tire provide cushion against shocks. Tire transmit driving force and braking force to the road. Tire provide smooth steering when cornering. That is the tire function. And then simple two types of the tires are tube tire. So it is having tube and tire. Tubeless tire, no tube, only tire is there. Okay, so this is the your simple. Okay, so now we are sharing. Just will go back. So in the next, we'll go for multiple choice questions on this second session 6. So the first question is, seat of rim in a disc wheel has dash taperness. Okay, so earlier only we have studied. So your options are 1 to 5 degree, and then B 20 to 30 degree, C 5 to 15 degree, D none of the above. So earlier we have studied. So it is, answer is C 5 to 15 degree. So seat of the rim in a disc wheel has 5 degree to 15 degree taper. That is the first question it is. So in the second question, hole in a disc wheel used for, okay. So A option is pulling of a brake drum, B is heating of a brake drum, C both A and B, pulling and heating, D none of the above. Second one is normally answer is, so it is A, pulling of brake drum. So holes in the disc wheel used for cooling of brake drum is the correct answer. So next, question number 3, a dash in the rim provided for the tube wall. So what is exactly provided? Option A is nut, B hole, C rivet, and none of the above. So what is the thing is provided here is B, hole in the rim is provided for the tube wall. So to wall should come out. So for that purpose, hole is provided. The answer is B is the correct answer. So next, question number 4 is, tire provide dash against shocks. So we have already studied. Options are A cushion, B rigidity, C jerk, none of the above. So tire provide cushion against shocks. That is the answer. So we have studied already. So that answer A is the correct. So next, fifth question is, tire provide dash steering when cornering. So A is smooth, B vibrate, C hard, none of the above. So question number 5 it is. So tire provide normally smooth, it is called. Okay, so answer A is the smooth. Tire provide smooth steering when cornering. That is very important. So these are the simple multiple choice questions what we have studied. So friends, we have studied already different types of the disc wheel construction. So in this part, what we are studying is directly we are going by the diagrams, which we can draw it in the exams easily. But others, those who are interested, you can go for the videos also. So in the internet, there are different videos are available of the disc wheel construction. Different diagrams are also available. For additional knowledge, we can go for that also. So with this, I thank you everybody. So I will stop the sharing.